是可以把我们这边的所有的问题呢，能够在会议上要讲得很清楚。第一，我代表全国的文艺工作者；第二呢，我也代表新疆的13个民族。以前我们去农村有些地方演出的时候呢，也有很多的就是贫困的农民。现在我去，就是最穷的农民也有很多只羊，还有很多亩地，自己种地种田。
Despite growing prosperity, there are conflicts between Uyghurs who seek independence and the more recently settled Han Chinese. In July 2009, violent rioting erupted in the capital Urumqi, and almost 200 people were killed. Many Uyghurs were jailed, and others fled the country. But Dilnar dismisses the Uyghur demands for independence.
我认为是，这只不过是一部分的坏人想捣乱。我觉得可能他们也就是就是可能说的简单一点，他可能就想捣乱。
Dilnar is not a member of the Communist Party, but she is a supporter of government policies, particularly economic policies inspired by the West. The Communist Party calls it socialism with Chinese characteristics and is attempting to combine socialism